You've been chosen. Stop. Do not blink. Do not scroll. Do not even breathe too loudly. Because what I am going to say to your soul is so precise, so prophetically perfect, that your angels have rearranged your whole week only to get you to this exact moment. Heaven has told me something about you. When I heard that, my blood turned electric. I saw your name engraved in light, rather than inscribed in ink. I noticed a golden flag flying above your life, flashing like a divine signal. And do you know what was said? Level 777. Awakened, but no loading, no progress, no nearly. It stated awakened. And then I heard something God had never said about anybody before. He did not clap. He did not congratulate. He did not whisper. He exhaled. A long, relieved cosmic sigh rocked the atmosphere. And he added, finally, my child broke the barrier that their entire bloodline was unable to overcome. You have no clue what you've just survived. Do you believe you've had a rough month? No. You just broke a generational code that has shackled your family for centuries. You shattered something old, something evil, something no one before you had the guts to confront. And that's why your spirit led you to this message. Because it is not a video. This is a heavenly update on what you've just unlocked, chosen one. There are times in life that seem commonplace to your mind, yet appear disastrous to hell. This final season of your life was not sad. It was not slow. It was not stationary. It was a spiritual earthquake, and you were the epicenter. God did not wake you early because you are unfortunate. He awoke you because your spirit had breached a boundary guarded by demons in your family for millennia. Let me explain something that very few people realize. The period preceding a breakthrough seldom seems like victory. It feels like being crushed. It feels like emotional tiredness, unexplained heaviness, abrupt isolation, spiritual quiet, mental fog, deep pressure, being trapped, random anxiousness, and unexplainable lethargy. You believe you are breaking down, yet spiritually you are bursting out. Listen to me. That moment when you sat alone in your automobile, engine turned off, looking out the window, your hands limp on the steering wheel. That was not sadness. That was your soul resetting. That was your spirit recalibrating since your old identity couldn't enter. Level 777. Your fatigue is not physical. It's not emotional. It's not mental. It is ancestral. You are fatigued from battling conflicts. Your parents gave in, your grandparents dodged, and your ancestors died under. You have broken decades of bondage with a single lifetime of obedience. That intense pressure you feel is not a sign of failure. It's an ancient weight that's finally coming loose. You aren't fatigued because you are weak. You're exhausted because hell is emptying your bloodstream. The chosen one. You are not stranded. You've reached the previous level's death screen. When a game reaches the conclusion of a level, the enemies multiply. The challenges get more difficult. The screen lags. The controller malfunctions. Everything feels difficult since the level is attempting to prevent you from fleeing. Your spirit had reached the point at which your bloodline would always crumble. That barrier was the wall. And you, with tears, loneliness, bruised knees, and a tired spirit, went right through it. That is why heaven exclaimed, finally, you completed what no one before you had done. You weren't playing your own life. You were playing your forefathers' incomplete levels. Everything they did not heal. You tackled everything they were running from. You confronted everything they dreaded. You battled. You have inherited their troubles. However, you possessed a spirit that others lacked. You are the breach repairer, cycle breaker, and family system fixer. You are the update. Here's how you know you've entered level 777. 1. You maintain your composure in the midst of pandemonium. Nor numb, nor uncaring, simply above it. 2. Individuals who drained you abruptly vanish, not because they changed, but because you did. 3. Your dreams move from conflict to education. You awaken with ideas, cautions, and assignments. 4. You stop chasing and begin magnetizing. Energy flowing towards you. Opportunity finds you. The cycle finishes with me.